So on Tesla, I got stopped out a couple of times, unfortunately. So, that was one time, two times, again, another one, and it was just bad trading, unfortunately, and I'm down on it. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. This is Andrew and Brian. We're gonna do a recap. I'm back from my trip in Europe, Cape Verde, which is a series of islands in Western Africa. It was a trail running race. It was beautiful. You probably read in my newsletter or stuff that how was it? So that was really amazing. And then I went to Lisbon. I was there in 2 days, and that was also a really good time. And now back to office and trading. So NVIDIA. So yesterday, Uncle Pao saved us with the Fed's meeting. As you see, the market bounced back heavily yesterday, including IWM, which is on a daily chart, was really beaten up, and then we had a really nice bounce. Today gapped up about 1%, but really didn't hold this 1%, so kind of sold off now. So my TNA position is better. I was down 2 Lamborghini, and I'm now down only 1 Lamborghini. So that's just for the record. I'm still down on TNA. So let's see, my average is at 90. So we'll see about that. So today, NVIDIA was popping up really. I mean, when I came, it was on everyone's watch list. I don't know why. But yeah, I just looked at it. At the open, it was really, hit the scanner. Right now, it's all oops, shit. Sorry. It hit the scanner. Right at the first minute, it hit the scanner, and I just jumped onto that. So I saw that. I saw that it was, although it was gapping up, but with heavy volume of 1 million volume in the first minute, sold off. It was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup. But what I did was I waited for a pullback. When it pulled back to the VWAP, I went short at 308 with the stop loss above 309 in these moving averages. Let me also bring the Epic pen. So that's it. So let me, this like today, let's see the scanners. Yeah, so as you see, it hit the scanners right at the open at 306. So it caught my attention actually with the scanner that we had with the turbo breakdown. And what I noticed was that it was really setting off on this pullback. I went short here with the stop loss just about here. And then I was patient enough for the previous day close, S3, S2 and S3 and break of S3. So we got it from all the way up to 297. I got a really nice one, very nice profit on it. $7,000 profit on that. So that was a really nice move, and then I got out everything at 301, and then I got a bounce on it from S4 too. So I was flat on it, so I hit the S4, really sold off to S4, jumping at 291, popped up, and from 291 to 295 I added more a little bit to see if we can get a little bit of more pop, but we didn't. So I eventually got stopped out on it at the break even here at 292. So that was also a good profit from this bounce from S4. So that was a really nice trade. And so what else we did? So we did Tesla, unfortunately. So that was a really great trade for me, and I really should have stopped trading, but I think that just makes a very beautiful trade. But Tesla, Apple and AMD gave me a really hard time. So Tesla sold off. I got a bounce from previous day close from 975 to 980, and then I got stopped out and tried to catch a reversal a couple of times from this level and got stopped out. Again, a double bottom, got stopped out, chased, stopped out. Eventually I got something out of it, and then Jared and I tried to catch this 950 bounce. We both get stopped out. So on Tesla, I got stopped out a couple of times, unfortunately. So that was 1 time, 2 times, again another one, and it was just bad trading, unfortunately, and I'm down on it. Yeah, $3,600. So that was all bad trading. Yeah, I mean, not bad trading, it was just not a good trade for trading it as well. Yeah, so Brian, what did you trade? And you did trade NVIDIA, didn't you?
Yeah, I did a trade on NVIDIA, but my main trades today was a short on Facebook at the open, which I got a nice drop on after it came up and touched the previous day close.
From here.
And then I was just trading TZA and TNA, I was just trading the volatility in these in the IWM. So I took IWM or the TZA long at the open when IWM was sinking, and then I took it long again on a bottom.
Wow.
And I'm long again right now. I held on through this pullback, and now I'm just taking half off right now at 29. So I've had I had a pretty good day. It was so we got some nice movement on some of these stocks here.
Very nice. So TNA and TZA, these are leverage ETFs. So TNA is in the same direction as IWM. So if IWM goes up 1%, TNA goes 3%. TZA is the reverse. So if instead of shorting IWM or shorting TNA, you can buy TZA and you go up. And if you look at it on the DAS or on any platform, this is Direction, is the company that they're providing this. Small cap bear, the small cap is the IWM. Bear means reverse, they're going down, and 3 means that they're leveraged. So that's so the TNA which I have, unfortunately, is this one. That's on the thing. But they're really good for intraday trading. They're really not good for holding, especially the reverse one, because the reverse ones like SQQ is the Nasdaq active. Right now it's going up because the QQQ is selling off. But the problem is that because as the market goes up, stocks go up, they have to restructure them. They do the reverse split. So on the daily chart they're always going down. From $17 to $6. They're always, from $4,000 to always. That's just the nature of them, that they're always coming down because the market is always going up. So they're really not good for holding, but they're really good for trading. These are trading instruments, not really investing instruments.
Yeah. And those were both on my watch list this morning, so I was pretty much sticking with those at the open. Ooh.
Yeah.
Here we go.
NVIDIA is selling off. There is another wave of selling off is coming. Obviously.
Yeah, they're selling off coming. Yeah.
Yeah, there is another wave of sell-off.
Spies dropped. Ooh, Facebook just dropped.
One more wave, yeah. So Apple is going out. I'm out of Apple. By the way, I forgot to say Apple. I traded Apple a couple of times. Eventually came Apple negative. Actually, I came I negative $1,600 on Apple. So we got to stop here. Then I got another stop out here on it. What did I do here? Oh no, actually I held this one up to here until I got out completely out of it. So we added a couple of times, actually in 2 different accounts, and I got out here with a little bit of profit. But eventually Apple was also trying to catch this Apple S levels, but it really didn't give me anything. So got to stop that on that as well. So yeah, overall the trade on NVIDIA was amazing. I wish I was more patient on NVIDIA and holding it. So I'll be probably not traveling anymore until Christmas time, until New Year. So we'll be in the office, catch up with work, and do some stuff. So yeah, so guys, thank you so much. Yeah,
we'll be doing that interview tomorrow afternoon. So watch for that.
Yeah, after hours with traders, Brian is coming to the office with Ardi. We're gonna record that. We're gonna discuss a lot about Feds, Bitcoin, Tesla, Elon Musk. There's so many things that we want to discuss together. And if you guys have any questions, just write it in the comments or email us, andrew@beveltraders.com. We're happy to have a chat, and it would be fun.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you all tomorrow morning in the chat, guys.